Alright, we're going to attempt to get this thing off the trailer. There's our gas tank. Pretty nice gas tank. Yep, she's going to get it running. We got it about 3/4 full of gas. Hook right from the carburetor, right to the carburetor, I mean. Got a battery securely mounted in there. Not. I was going to use the coolant overflow bottle for the gas jug, but there's no fuel pump on the fucking thing. So, we got that set up. Don't forget your fast idle stick. Gotta have your fast idle stick on there, huh? Yep. Alright. 4-barrel carburetor that pisses gas everywhere. Let's see if we can catch a bitch on fire. Yeah. Oh, wonderful floors. Alright. Alright. Ooh. No fire. Okay. Sounded like fire. We don't like that kind. Alright. See if it'll start. Give her a couple pumps. There we go. Let's let her idle, if it will. Huh? Maybe. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Time to get ignorant with it.